beset on all sides by idiots.
Hello, friends, neighbors, internet strangers. What's up? Wait a minute, that may be copyrighted. Better not say that. What color is that? That right there. That color. That darkish color. What color is that? I'll give you a moment to get out the color palette or the color wheel or any charts you may have, or I don't know, Ouija board. I thought it was black. I'm not going to lie to you. I sold it as black, and I stand by that decision. But the customer doesn't. The customer's not happy. He has 78,000 feedback. I don't know if that makes a difference, but that's an awful lot of feedback. He says they're blue, and he sent me this picture. And okay, I can see an argument for navy blue, but I had them for a while, and I've looked at them more than once in sunlight, incandescent light, and fluorescent light, and they were always jet black. Now, I'm not saying these aren't they. I'm just saying that they're black, and that perhaps in the photograph they look vaguely bluish. But I told him if he wasn't happy to send them back. That's all I said. You know, that's all I could say. But I thought I'd share that with you. Well, trials and tribulations of a small-time eBay seller.
You're the retarded offspring of 5 monkeys having butt sex with a fish squirrel. Congratulations.
I can't take it anymore.
Yeah, you see? I knew that would happen.
Man, Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.